Interested in making money from your articles? Today, we'll share simple steps to increase your income without using complex tools. You'll receive valuable tips on monetizing your content. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest advice. Let's begin. Step 1. Sign up for SEO Writing. AI, signing up for SEO Writing. AI is the first crucial step in leveraging Google search to make money. You can easily create an account by visiting SEOwriting.ai and clicking on Get Started. It's free. Once you've signed up, you gain access to the powerful one-click blog post feature, simplifying the article generation process significantly. This user-friendly platform eliminates the need for advanced writing skills or technical knowledge, making it accessible to a wide range of individuals like yourself. Step 2. Choosing a niche. Picking a niche is really important for reaching the right people and helping them out effectively. To find your niche, you need to know your audience well. Think about who they are, what they like, and what problems they have. Understanding the issues you and your audience face helps you create content that solves those problems. Also, think about what worries them. By addressing their concerns, you build trust with your audience. Once you understand your audience and their needs, choose a niche that matches those factors. It could be anything you're interested in, like fitness, money tips, cooking, or whatever else. Pick something you're passionate about and that offers ways to make money. For instance, if you love fitness and see people want help losing weight, you might focus on that. Choosing the right niche is key to making money with Google search. It lets you create content that connects with your audience, brings in visitors, and turns them into customers. By solving specific problems in your niche, you become an expert and gain loyal followers. This opens up different ways to make money, like recommending products, selling digital stuff, or doing sponsored posts. Step 3. Generate articles with SEO Writing. To generate articles with SEO Writing AI, go back to the SEO Writing AI website and start the process. You may want to consider upgrading your plan if you're serious about this venture. Okay, once you're back in the one-click blog post feature of SEO Writing AI, it's time to input your main keyword. For instance, let's say you want to create a blog post about how to lose weight in just a week. After entering your keyword, the AI tool will generate a title for your article based on the input. You can also customize various aspects of your article. You have the option to select the language you want your article to be in. This is useful if you're targeting a specific country or audience. You can also adjust the tone of voice, choosing between formal, friendly, or any other suitable tone. Additionally, you can change the point of view of your article to best fit your writing style or audience preference. Whether it's first person, second person, or third person perspective, you have the flexibility to tailor it accordingly. Another remarkable feature is the ability to select the article size. Medium-sized articles, up to 3,600 words long, are often ideal for ranking well on Google. However, you can adjust this based on your preferences and the depth of content you want to provide. Step 4. Adding value to your articles. Adding value to your articles is essential for attracting and engaging readers. Enhance your content by incorporating images and YouTube videos. Visual elements not only break up the text, but also enrich the overall reading experience. Utilize the AI-generated images provided by the platform and embed relevant YouTube videos to provide additional context or information. Optimizing your articles for search engines is another crucial aspect of adding value. Utilize NLP keyword generation to identify relevant keywords and phrases that can improve your article's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. Strategically incorporate these keywords throughout the content to increase the likelihood of your articles being discovered by users searching for related topics. Step 5. Monetize your articles. Monetize your articles by strategically incorporating various offers and opportunities within them. Start by sourcing offers that align with your content, such as digital products or affiliate links, which can provide valuable solutions to your audience. Platforms like Gumroad offer a convenient way to sell digital products directly to your audience, while Kit.co enables you to curate and sell physical products through your own store. Additionally, consider joining affiliate programs like Yazing or ClickBank, where you can earn commissions by promoting products or services relevant to your niche. These programs provide you with unique affiliate links that track sales back to your referrals, allowing you to earn a commission for each successful sale. Furthermore, explore platforms like App Forever, where you can earn money for file downloads. This can include offering free resources, guides, or digital products that users can download, with you earning revenue based on the number of downloads generated. Step 6. Share your articles. After creating compelling content, it's crucial to share it effectively to reach a wider audience and maximize its impact. First, publish your articles on platforms like Medium, LinkedIn, or WMedia for free. These platforms have a wide audience base and can significantly increase the visibility of your content. Next, insert affiliate links and calls to action within your articles strategically. These links can direct readers to relevant products or services, allowing you to earn commissions through affiliate marketing. Lastly, optimize your articles for search engines to enhance visibility and traffic. Incorporate relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and tags to improve your article or ranking on search engine results pages, SERPs. This increases the likelihood of your content being discovered by users searching for related topics. Step 7. Withdraw your earnings. Ensure you've correctly set up your affiliate codes for payment tracking. This ensures that you receive proper credit for the commissions you've earned. Monitor your earnings regularly to stay informed about your income progress. Keep track of your earnings from various affiliate, programs, and platforms. Withdraw your earnings according to the payment terms of each platform. Some platforms may have minimum withdrawal thresholds or specific payment schedules. Follow the instructions provided by each platform to initiate the withdrawal process and receive your earnings. Additional tips. 1. Experiment with platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one platform or strategy. Explore various options to discover what works best for you. Try different platforms like social media, blogging sites, or specialized marketplaces to reach a broader audience and maximize your earnings potential. 2. Continuous optimization. Keep refining your articles and promotional techniques to improve performance. Regularly analyze your content's engagement metrics and adjust your approach accordingly. This could involve tweaking headlines, optimizing keywords, or updating your call to action to enhance conversion rates and revenue generation. 3. Value provision. Never underestimate the importance of providing value to your audience, whether through informative articles, helpful guides, or entertaining content. Prioritize delivering meaningful experiences that resonate with your readers. Building trust and credibility with your audience is key to maintaining their engagement and fostering long-term success in monetizing your content. Now, are you ready to start earning from your articles? We've provided straightforward steps to help you boost your income effortlessly. Here's a question for you. What niche are you most passionate about writing for? Share your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more valuable tips. See you next time.